how to start trading from scratch, how to get what you want, how to earn up to $1,000 daily. You only need to know a couple of simple techniques and I will tell you how to achieve it. With me, you will be able to avoid 90% of all the mistakes that beginner traders make. Only you can change your life. If it worked for me, it will work for you guys. Hi, my name is Liya and I'm a professional trader. Just listen, dozens of people every day are disappointed in binary options trading because they lose their money, but the reason is their own mistakes. They have no knowledge, no clear plan, no source of correct information. And these are the reasons why some people give up on financial freedom. So today I'm going to make your trading career a lot easier. If you are a beginner and you are seriously thinking about trading, you should go to my free Telegram channel right now. There I post signals that I trade on personally. I also share my tips and answer all your trading questions. I was able to gather a whole team of traders who are already making money with maximum profit every day and absolutely for free. So be sure to subscribe at the link below the video. And here is a detailed example of how I make significant amounts of money in one trading session using my unique trading strategy. Just by watching this video to the end, you will be able to improve your financial situation. Are you ready to start? Okay, and here we are on the Quotex platform. So today I'm going to tell you and show you what you're really worried about. Yes, exactly. What a bunch of indicators gives a guaranteed results, plus it's very convenient and simple. It is simple. Remember, Supertrend plus Aligator. And you know what? This one was the best indicator combinations. By the way, one of the first strategy I used at the beginning of my binary options trading career. So perfect for beginner traders. It was with their help that I managed to make my first budget of $420, guys. Isn't that bad? In addition, I will tell you that on my YouTube channel there are other videos with the use of these indicators both separately and in combination with oscillators. I advise everyone to go and watch them. I will be very useful for you. It will be very useful for even more successful trading sessions. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let's quickly check the settings and let's start trading. So let's start with a bet of $100. Time frame as usual is 1 minute, and in the indicator panel of the Quotex platform, select the Aligator indicator, and today it will be the first. I do not recommend changing the parameters. I will leave the standard ones. They correspond to today's trading strategy, but I will adjust the color settings exclusively to my taste. I will set the colors so that the charts don't merge and are clearly distinguishable. Perhaps this is not an important point as it affects the speed of reaction and decision making. And so the second indicator is the Supertrend. Here it is. And here I will change the multiplier value to a lower value. Changing this setting will give me an almost instant market signal displayed in the indicator chart. I'm not going to touch the colors here. I'm just going to make the lines of the graph bigger. Yes. I'll be very comfortable with that. While I'm analyzing the market, I would like to remind you that you can find a lot of useful content on my channel, guys, and there are videos with the analysis of all indicators. Also reviews of my trading sessions where I show you how easy it is to make money trading binary options. Details about signals and the market and much more. So go to subscribe and write comments. Oh, and also go to my Telegram channel. There I will give you absolutely for free top signals to trades. The link I will leave under this video, guys. Go and check it. See it yourself. Okay, and the first signal, there it is. Pay attention to the alligator's mouth. It starts to close. So the Supertrend has crossed the price chart. This combination of signals shows us that the market volatility is falling and an active downtrend is emerging. So let's go into more detail. We outline the resistance area here by the highest shadows, and immediately we see how many times the market tries to break through the area. I counted 4. How many did you get? Write in the comments, okay? Okay, now let's move on. And after a sharp drop in price, you and I are seeing another attempt by buyers to send the price even higher. So I'm sure they will not succeed. Based on the technical analysis of our indicators, I make a clear conclusion that this is necessary to open sell orders. And applies on the balance sheet, guys. Not bad at all. Okay, the next currency pair is American dollar to Brazilian real. I see a strong combination of signals from our indicators, so I'm going down. More details after the end of the deal, okay? Wow, as promised, let's get to it. I'm looking at the support and resistance area. So the price chart shows us the true breakout, and the next price peak is a test of strength for our area. Look at that solid green candle. But in the resistance area, the trend ends with a dotty candle, with its shadow facing the trend. So let's remember the basics of candlestick analysis, and voila, we realize that GEPP is coming. All that's left is to open a sell order and have time to fix this bright down trade. Supertrend also shows a tendency to lower prices, and the jaws of the alligator are beginning to open. And this is not a joke, guys. That's it. Let's move on. Guys, this is very important information. If you are a beginner and you don't have enough experience, you risk losing your money at first. And I don't want that to happen to you like it happened to me. I post daily trading signals in my Telegram channel, with the help of which I trade myself to protect you from these mistakes. So by simply copying what I do, you can get hands-on trading experience, as safe as possible. So just by using my signals, a small amount of money, you will be able to avoid the mistakes of 90% of beginners. So put aside your fear and start acting. I left the link to my Telegram channel in the description to this video right here. So just follow the link and start earning with me. Now let's get on with it. The next currency pair, New Zealand dollar to Swiss franc, and we can see that a downtrend is starting to form. So the indicator Supertrend only a few minutes ago crossed the price chart and took the position on top. I'm going to sell here. Just a few more words about the deal. In addition to the previously listed conclusions about signals, I would also like to add that the curves moving indicator alligator also began to suppress and clearly show their orientation to the upcoming downtrend. And this means that the bet is made correctly. There is nothing to worry about at all. Meanwhile, the deal is closing, so profit taken again. Friends, how do you like this today's signals? Write your answers in the comments. And the next currency pair, Swiss franc to Japanese yen. I suggest to change the bet $500 at once. I guess it will be enough. Okay, let's take a look at the state of affairs over the last couple of hours. You can see right away that the market's completely down. That's just great. A new area of support is forming, so let's take advantage of it. I'm expecting a bright bounce and move up. Okay, we'll be going into buy detailed explanation after the end of the transaction. Look at how confident we are in closing the deal. It's time to get to the bottom of this. Yes, you will say that the curves, sighting curves, are pointing downwards, but other than that, they haven't been uncovered, which means that a trend change is coming, that's for sure. So, but you know what surprised me even more here? How the super trend curve overlapped with the price chart, and that's very rare. It didn't just overlap, it went right on top of it. So this is no less clear signal of a trend change, what we can observe in the future. And the new support area has been formed. We see a wolf candlestick with a shadow inverse of the trend movement, and it's a very big one. That's why it's a clear bounce and a solid APP trade. In this deal, the buyers won, guys. We are not slowing down, we are raising the bet. Now it's $1,000. Let's go. Let's analyze the taste of affairs on the currency market. We see a general bearish trend. Luckily, the candle is also trending downwards, so I confidently open a sell order here. Friends, don't forget to go to the Telegram channel. There is a lot of interesting information for you. So while we are watching the chart moving, we can see the alligator's mouth expanding, curves moving, curves are confidently diverging in different directions. So Supertrend is one on the upper position. It is also a strong signal before the bearish trend. So the distance from the price chart is confident. Having analyzed all the above mentioned marks, signals, points, I tell you, this is surely profit, friends. And profit again, let's keep going. And I immediately catch in the market on a trend change. That's what we need. Sell orders now. I noticed that the alligator's mouth has no obvious signs. The moving curves are parallel to each other. The market is heading to flat. Further candlestick movement consists of alternating trend change step by step, and the general movement to the support area. So there is nothing to worry about. We're waiting for the price at the bottom. Okay, once again, profits are sent to the balance sheet. And a new currency pair, and immediately I see a great opportunity to open an order. Open orders, easy money, guys. And on that note, I'm ending today's trading session. So guys, with this trading strategy, everyone can make the first money for their new life. To learn even more trading strategies, I advise you to watch my other videos on my channel, like this one. So with you was Liya. Have a good trading.